Hardware, heading up to Fluffy's. Got Mikey's new rig. Got a new trailer. Got the Defender. And we got Steve and Bruce's rig over there. Here they come.
Straight up the truck. Your tires, right? Yeah. He's burnt it up. Like the front one's new. Oh yeah. Well, these are a little bit lower. Bruce, where are you supposed to be today?
Not here.
Bruce is retired now. He's not supposed to be anywhere, but he's doing more now than he probably ever did.
That is funny. Yeah, that is funny.
Alright, we're in Norwood. We got ice.
Pitter patter.
Pitter patter, let's get at her.
We're in Norwood.
Lingham Lake, sorry, Lingham Lake, yep.
Fluffy out there testing the water. Yeah, it's only knee high right there.
It's not as deep here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That's not bad.
Oh.
Oh. Going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a hole here.
There is?
Rock there.
Is the water warm?
Doesn't feel cold.
It's like,
No.
is it near as a shallow right here, like along this way? And then do that. Go on the right side of that drum. Here.
Two different strategies. Rocks right there. Right there. He's gonna hit it. Right there. Oh no, he didn't. Fucking rock right through that.
He went right over the tires. So I want to see what. Oh no.
Baby says, "Ooh,
What deep chicken is?
you might be all right."
Belt's wet.
Oh, is it really?
Belt's wet.
That's that gasket. Oh, here comes Mikey. Oh, that'll be good. Did he get wet?
Plus, you got just a little bit of water.
You get wet, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, do we have time for a beer now?
Just a little
I
bit.
swapped my beer. I look down, my beer's upside down floating.
We got time.
Oh, I got perfect. It's so
Brand new now, nice and clean.
Yeah, good belly wash.
Yeah.
Belly wash. Steve got a clutch wash. Oh yeah, just a little bit.
Hey, you know what? I'm fucking dry.
Just a little bit.
Steven?
I think I got the camera on too, Brandon.
Did you?
I think, yeah, I turned the camera on. I turned the side and then you push
Yeah,
the thing.
it's on. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was well worth the money. I'm happy with him.
It'll be, we just gotta see the rooster tail.
Oh, you just about nailed me with that.
I know.
I got out of the way just in time.
Yep. I saw the look on your face.
It's like, whoa.
Yep.
Gotta figure out our route here. We've been collecting people's trash. Mike's ECU
Shut up,
trails
Brandon.
installation here. Hurricane Performance, 230 horsepower.
And 230 kilometers.
Sorry,
Yeah, yeah,
That's 230 kilometers.
yeah.
Which way does that set in now?
What I think, look at this.
Tow Mater pulled them all the way out here.
One's taller.
No, like they're kind of.
Perfect time for a fucking wedgie. Give him
a seam too.
There's another hookup right there.
What do you think, Pete?
What is that?
This is the longer part.
That right there.
This thing?
Yeah.
I think it's just a clip. It's
Oh,
just
okay,
a clip
it is
for
a
the
clip
wire.
for the other one. Yeah, okay. I thought it was
Like
like an
this?
electrical hookup.
Right? I think.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I don't know if I can hold that for you or not.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
good.
up there. Is that long enough?
Yeah, that's good. What the fuck am I doing?
Yep,
now?
here you go. You got it. Yep.
All right.
Both of them?
And then I'm gonna try that. Yeah. I'll try that seatbelt.
Well, we're just starting it out. I mean, I'll have to try it first.
Oh, you think so?
One thing at a time. Yeah.
I just want to see Mike have to
Do
take
that.
this all apart again.
What do you want to do now, Brandon?
2 hours back and he's doing this.
There you go. Go put that on your high-end buggy. That's it.
That's how water had to get in, is that little port.
Yeah, that's weird, eh? Like,
Yeah,
why does it
air
even
breathing
have
port.
that?
All the water. You pour
Like-
water right out of here.
Yeah, water came out of here.
Yeah.
There's more in there again.
Is there?
Yeah, see, right there. Warranty no more.
Brandon, with that camera, I'm gonna shove that up your ass. He loves this. This week on Ass to Mouth ATV.
Trailside ECU maintenance.
Trailside
download.
Easy, yeah, easy. I know.
Patience.
We're just doing a little trailside cleanup, as you can see at the same time. Lots of people littered. Jesus Murphy. Doing our part.
That's all we can do.
Watch all the hamsters jump out.
Take it apart slowly in case it's like a spring loaded.
That got confusing.
Oh, that one was a special one.
You tore that up, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy. There's 2 or 3 of them like that.
God damn. Your belly stops it.
Put a big hole in it. See if you can jam that in there. And give her a little twist.
Give her a twist here, eh? Break it right
A little twist and shout.
It's in the middle somewhere.
Yeah, it's over.
It's wiggling here. It wiggled there.
This end's fucking tight. Here? There you go. Mitchell? That's what she said last night. Oh. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, it's got some glue or something in there. Here, maybe this one now too, Dave. Look at that butter knife you used to cut the
Try it? Oh yeah.
sausages.
No,
Stick that
no.
one in there, Dave. That might
Watch the
break.
boards right there. I can see it.
Oh yeah.
We'll get in the wrong side of the. Oh, now you did it.
Yeah. We can take pictures with our phone and zoom in.
Yeah.
Zoom. Yeah, that's.
Where did that screwdriver go?
Oh, we're missing something. We gotta be.
Is there a bolt underneath that warranty
There's nothing
sticker?
on the other side, is there?
Oh, well done, Dave. Yeah. Right here. It's right there.
The warranty fucking sticker.
That's what-
Pack sucker.
And I said, look at this warranty sticker here.
Oh, I know. Hundreds of years.
Oh, God.
Target.
I think the magnet fell to that fucking thing.
Oh, it's
Oh,
gonna fall
it's
apart
going to
now.
fall apart now.
Look, you almost got it.
Now it's all twisted up.
I was wondering why there's a warranty sticker there too. I'm like, look, there's a warranty
Over that
sticker
last
there.
screw, those stupid idiots, they'll never find this.
There's probably two. There's two.
There's probably 2 there.
There's 2
Is there one
there.
on the other side?
See on this side there's 2, and then there's one more.
Is there?
I'm dumb.
That's a hint. Call that a clue. Why is there this anonymous warranty
Jumping
sticker
right off
right
now.
here?
I'll let you do the reveal.
Boy, some Windex on there. We'll get rid of that void sticker. Hole's dry.
Fuck, look at all the wizardry going on in there.
Yeah.
I see
Whoa.
it. Yeah, there it is.
You got it?
No.
The Johnson rod? The Johnson rod. Oh, she's fucking bone dry.
Where'd the water come out of?
Might have just been in that clip, right? Might have been
Yeah,
right
maybe
in
it's
here.
Do you want to put it against the heater with now you got its pants off?
I don't know. Yeah. if you
Yeah.
want.
Yeah, let's put it on the heater.
So put it on the heater and
Dry out your CPU.
give her a once over.
Try it.
same.
drive slow. It's got to be good on fuel.
It's about the same. Well, actually, the X3 is, I think, has a way bigger tank. This just has a smaller tank. We've already used one bar.
What?
Your tank don't look any smaller than
It
me.
was full.
Where we at?
Dad,
70%?
Dad.
One bar.
Oh, that one.
White noise so you can sleep.
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Dizzy.
Come in, Dad. Dad? Where's Dad? Dad? Where are you?